Hello students, Namaste. Welcome to Hyderabad Junior Scientist YouTube channel. నేను మీ రాజు సార్ని. సో ఈరోజు వచ్చేసి మనము డైలీ లైఫ్ ఓకే సీ హియర్ డైలీ లైఫ్ అండ్ ఫిజిక్స్. Physics is nothing but daily life. We can observe total physics in daily life. Total physics we can observe in daily life. Just observation is very important. Physics is nothing but daily life. Okay. So here I came in front of you to perform small activity related to something. So what are the physical quantities? Small confusion you have, right? So concept. So what does that means? Weight and mass. Weight and mass. Okay, friends. Then only will participate in this activation. So see, my dear friends, my dear school friends. So what is this? You know very well, right? So this is called our digital mission. So in our daily life, in kitchen purpose, kitchen scale, to take measurements. So whatever preparing curry or whatever it may be, so we use this, right? So now I am going to unbox this. So let us see what is there inside. Here, two cells. And next, here total we have mission. Let me show you this digital mission. Here on and off is there, mode and tape, right? So in back side we have to insert the cells. We have to insert the cells here, right? So you know very well about positive and negative. This is negative and positive. So one more cell we have to take. We have to insert like this. Then immediately get LED light. So it is working. You have to fix like this. Okay. Then after, see, you have to press this. Then now it is reset to 0. Reset to 0. Is it clear? Readings. Okay. See, now I have weight. See children, I have weight. So you know very well about this daily life, vegetable purpose or anything. You can see here what is the reading. Reading is here 500 grams, right? So 500 grams is there. See, it's very smooth and white now. That's why I'm using paper here. So I placed a paper, but it's showing somewhat mass 4 grams. So I'm reset to 0. Reset to 0. Then now just I'm placing this 500 grams. Then approximately it is 500 grams. It's not showing 500 grams. So small error is there. Sometimes 500, sometimes 499. Again, see, right? 499. Okay. So 499 grams is there, right? So in physics, what we call this? In physics, what we call this 499 grams, we call, what we call this 4.499. See, so nearly 500. Yes, now we got 500. Yes, so here nothing is there. You're seeing total clearly. Yes, total now it's showing 500 grams. Okay. Yes. Next comes to 0. Then what I am doing, I want to measure the mass of this lock. See, here now 318 grams. So what we call this 318 grams, 500 grams? Mass or weight? Mass or weight? I have a wooden block, circular shape wooden block. So I want to measure the mass of this wooden block. How much it is? You know, it is 500. How much? 521. 521 grams mass. Okay. So now in physics, what we call this one? Object, body, right? Different. So 1 gram it will be 521 or 522. 521. Okay. So next, I want to measure the mass of the small objects. Let I have a spring, and to see the mass of spring, here it's showing 13 grams. Good. The next interesting thing. Do you know, have you measured the mass of a coin? Can you tell me the mass of a coin? Mass of a coin, 4 grams. Really? If mass of one coin 4 grams means 2 coins, 8 grams. Okay. 3 coins, 4 3 12. No. 4 3 coins. 12 grams. Yes. 4 coins. Now we got 15 only. Why not 16? Means here each coin is not equals to 4 grams. Somewhat less than 4 grams. Here we got 19 grams. 5 coins, 19 grams. And say 6 coins, 23. 7 coins, 27. 8 coins, 30. 9 coins. Next 10 coins. See, so then if you 10 coins, if you see the mass of 10 coins, then we can estimate the exact mass of each coin. Now it is 38 grams. 38 grams means 10 coins, 38 grams. Then what is the mass of one coin? What is the mass of one coin? Now it is division. 38 by 10. So the mass of each coin is 3.8 grams. Mass of each coin is 3.8 grams. So here this machine is not showing decimal values. So it's showing it is least count only 1 gram, right? It is starting from 1 gram, right? So automatically it's goes to half. Then after it shows 0 only reading. Okay. Once again, let me show you. Now 0. Your paper weight is there. Okay. So you found it already. See, you have to place the paper. Paper also have some mass, right? You have to press it, reset to 0. Then at a time, I am taking the 10 coins on the paper. 10 coins on the paper. How much we got? 38 grams. Means each coin has 38 grams. Okay. So right. Next. So we have to note down these values. Yes, children. I want to measure the mass of the marker. How much it is? 12 grams. Right? I want to measure the mass of the mouse. How much it is? 64 grams is the mass. Understood? Okay. Yes. Mass of one marker 13 grams. Mass of one more marker 25 grams. 3 markers 38. One more marker 51 grams. Okay. So depends on inside ink. So many parameters are there. Here paper is showing weight, mass, right? Right. Next we go for the next activity. Yes. Here I have taken 500 grams mass. This is 500 grams mass. If I hang it to the weighing machine, so now it acts some force downward. So that force we call it as weight of the object. Okay, you can see the weight in the weighing machine. So it is showing 5 newtons. So it has 2 readings, grams and force unit also. Okay, here you can see 2 readings showing 5 newtons and 500 grams. So that is hanged with a string. Alright. Yes. So now you can see the difference between mass and weight. 500 grams is equals to, it applies 500 grams, it applies 5 Newton force on the string. See, your string is very tight. Okay. So tightness we can see in the string. Every 500 grams apply 5 newtons. Here 1 kg 1000 grams applies 10 newtons approximately. So exact value is 9.8. So let us see the numerical part. Let us see the numerical part. Okay. Children, here weight to calculate weight, W is equals to m into g. M means mass of the object. So mass of the object is 500 grams. 500 grams is nothing but half kg, 1 by 2 kg into g value. Actual value is 9.8. So we can take out the value 10 also. Totally, after cancellation, we get 5 Newton force. 5 Newton force is acting downward. So that downward force due to mass, due to acceleration, due to gravity is called weight. Okay. So if mass exerts force on the string, then it converts into weight. If mass exerts force on the string means it is nothing but weight.